How to fix Twitter account forgot password. Let's get started. Launch your Twitter or X app. Click on the option Forgot Password. Now type in your email, phone number or the username linked with your account. Once you type in, click on Next. Now you will be receiving code in your email address that is linked with your account. Click on Next. Now close this and check your mail. So you can see that I have received mail from X. You will also be receiving similar kind of mail. You'll need to launch the mail and here is the code. You'll need to copy this code, navigate to the X app, paste that code and click on Next. Now generate new password for your account. Confirm your password. Once you do that, click on Change Password. Why did you change your password? Select any of these options, click on Next. Click on Continue and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily fix Twitter account forgot password. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.